must for when you travel. Alright? You need some quick food and calories on the go. You feeling yourself getting that little headache? Well, this will take that right away. Remember when I told y'all that the sun decided to pop out? Okay, so the sun finally decided to pop out. Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. Straight rating. Don't even play.
It's like a 6.4.
And I forgot to tell y'all, she was big time lying about these. There was at least a strong 7.6, if not 7.8. All right, bye. Look, I'm a little bit dark right now. I don't really think that the camera can capture this, but I'm gonna try to show y'all. All right, this view is legitimate. This freaking hotel is guaranteed to get you the boot. Like I said earlier, you can't really capture it, but it's doing the damn thing. Trust. Today is Saturday, and we finally got to enjoy this good old continental breakfast. It's definitely 100% worth it. If you cannot tell, it is 100% the wake up from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay? These right here, these not regular degular. These is season special. All right? Peace of God. Come out here to park, just be expecting to pay big dollars, $10 an hour to park. Did you feel me? I have no clue if y'all can hear me or see me right now because it's too bright for me to see my camera screen. But the vibes is legitimate, and it don't even feel like my birthday. It just feel like I'm on vacation. Oh damn, this zoomed in. Let's zoom the fuck out. Alright, so I ain't even gonna lie to y'all at all. I literally just got dressed up before we go out to eat to this crab, and we did a whole photo shoot. I'll drop a little picture right here. Now, it is 8:34. We're about to go get some crab and scrimps. Alright then. Oh, and for some reason the camera charger that I brought does not charge the camera, so the camera is currently on 36%. It's about to die, and I'm too cheap to go out and buy a whole new camera charger. So when the camera die, it die. We're gonna just have to shoot off the iPhone. Okay, bye. I didn't think that the camera could see us, but y'all can see us. So we just came to this place called Cajun Boyle. We had the valet park. She told me to turn into this random parking garage, and it happened to be the private parking for the valet. So we went ahead and paid that $15. First of all, I went too fast. When we was here, we passed the entrance twice, and had to turn around twice. Finally, I got it right. You know, you can't listen to them all the time. She told me not to turn, and it was the right turn.
How are we supposed to know?
The street.
It looked like a one-way.
Anyways, I forgot that it was a game on right now, so I'm watching the game as we wait for our food. Of course, I'm gonna show the food. You know, that's what y'all here for. Hey, I told her I don't know about this one. We should have got. She likes everything not spicy. We probably should have got spicy. That's looking a little bit extra unseasoned. But you know, this is bussin'. Yes, sir. Just wait on it. We got the fries to go with it. Hey, look, I'm gonna try to keep this as short as possible. I'll give the food a strong 8.3.
Yeah. The flavor could have been a little better.
The crazy part is, I liked hers. She got hers non-spicy. I liked hers even better than mine. I got something called house mix or something like that. But okay, we finna try to find somewhere to go drink. Even though I don't drink, people, I don't drink. Just in case we didn't tell y'all yet, this is definitely the worst thing about this hotel. Everything else, 100% approved. But this elevator, these don't work over here. This is the only one that works. You gotta wait for every floor. Sleeky. So as you can see, we just came back from the pool and it's already started to rain. So this is our last day here. Probably about to go find somewhere to do some type of couples massage or some type of aquarium or something like that, since it's gonna be raining. Look, when y'all see this, don't worry about it, all right? I just cut my face off when I was shaving. But anyways, today is the last full day that we done spent here. Opened up the day by getting that beautiful breakfast. I'm gonna put in a clip right here just in case you missed it. Then I went to the gym and it started raining. And now we are going to experiment with this back of the business, back of the alley couples massage parlor on No Funny Shit. She picked it out, so we finna go pay all this money for some trash. It's coming out of her
No, it's not.
ass. Okay, we'll tell y'all how it go though. okay? Refresh out the parlor. And I really want her to go. We haven't talked to each other yet to tell like what we liked or what we didn't like, or if we even liked the whole experience. So I want to hear what she got to say first.
I'm gonna have a bruise on every inch of my body.
Okay, good. We can relate because
The lady was super hard, and like I know she could feel the heat in my skin and was like scraping the shit out of my sunburn.
well, I don't got no sunburn, but I will say when I was on my front, when she was actually massaging my back, I would say my right shoulder and right calf, she was like putting in extra work and just smile on some wrestling shit. But I don't know if she was trying to be funny or not, but she like hopped on the table and was riding my ass like a lawnmower. Like on my front, like my on the opposite of well, she did the bottom too, cause she put my feet together. Oh, and then she started fucking like literally, she would like shake my leg and then like hit it. I didn't know if I was supposed to hit back. I didn't know what the fuck was going on, but I would give it like a C- until she flipped me over on my back and she was doing something from behind my head and my ears. That shit was masterful. I'm not even gonna lie to you at all. But my overall rating would be like a B-. What'd you give it?
I'm sticking with the C.
A C?
Yeah.
But yeah, I do feel like tomorrow I'm definitely gonna be sore in places that I ain't never felt. She was punching me in the booty. She was like jabbing my ass. She jumped on the table twice. She actually like 3 times. But I don't even know what we gonna do now. My stomach was grumbling. I was like, please don't let this lady start rubbing on my stomach, because I'm gonna start farting everywhere. But I guess she heard it too, because she skipped over it.
Yeah, it was not
Probably about to go get something to eat. Just spent crazy $150. Her idea. I tried to warn her. Y'all, now keep in mind, this car is a rental car and has to be refilled upon return. Okay, we drove around everywhere for 4 days straight, and now we was on half a tank. Look how much this shit costs. This is live. This is no cappy, all right?
Oh, the one
$41.
Here's what we're looking forward to today.
$41 on half a tank. You cannot believe that shit, bro. I can't even get a